in West Bengal, the BJP Neta there has called for the foundation stone of Ram Temple in Behrampur, and it will be laid on 6th of December is the claim that he has made. Responding to TMC's Humayun Kabir's remarks about Babri Masjid, former BJP district president, in fact, has announced the construction of a Ram temple in Murshidabad. He said the temple will be a symbol of peace and preservation of the cultural heritage in the area. Listen in.
दिसंबर से बहरमपुर का राम मंदिर शिलान्यास होगा। उस दिन को हमारा केंद्रीय स्टेट प्रदेश नेतृत्व में वहां पर आएंगे। वो साधु सन्यासी का मौजूद होगा। आप दूसरे आदमी को बोल दिया जब बेलडंगा को बाबरी मस्जिद होगा। बाबरी मस्जिद क्यों होगा? बाबर तो भारत में नहीं है, वो तो इन्फिल्ट्रेटर है, तो किसका बाबर मस्जिद है? आप सुनिए, तो मेरा दिक्कत है, मैं कोई दिक्कत नहीं। आपका नजरुल का बाबरी मस्जिद होगा और रेजाल करीम का होगा, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का नामांकित की मस्जिद होगा। मैं खुश होगा, बहुत खुश होगा। मैं सपोर्ट कर रहे उसका रेजाल करीम का मस्जिद बनाएंगे, अब बनाओ होगा, और नजरुल का मस्जिद होगा। मैं बहुत खुश होगा, मैं सपोर्ट देगा। तो बाबरी मस्जिद होगा तो मैं दिक्कत है, इसका प्रशासन देखेंगे। राम मंदिर, राम इसका भारत वर्ष का नाम है, राम भारत वर्ष, इसका राम मंदिर तो भारत में ही होगा। तो क्या होगा? बांग्लादेश होगा, पाकिस्तान होगा, भारत में होगा क्या? राम मंदिर बहरमपुर में ही होगा और 6 दिसंबर ही होगा।
My colleague Hridita is now joining us live right now for more on this. Hridita, tell us more about this BJP's District General Secretary who's made this big announcement that the foundation stone of a Ram temple in Behrampur will be laid on 6th of December.
Well, absolutely. At one side, when we see that the MLA of TMC making a claim of constructing Babri Masjid on 6th of December in Beldanga, on that other half of the same district in Murshidabad's Behrampur, we now see that this former district president of the very party BJP, who is currently also holding the position of the district general secretary in Murshidabad, now says that there will be a construction of Ram Mandir also, and on 6th of December only, when Humayun Kabir lays his foundation stones for Babri Masjid, BJP will lay its stone for Ram Mandir out there in Baharampur. Now, even though the General Secretary of the party makes such claims, Sakharov probe Sarkar makes some claims from Murshidabad, but the state party has not concluded or given any official announcement or statements regarding the same, whereas when contacted, the state party has said they are still in talk, and there is no confirmation on the same lines as the leader, the General Secretary from Murshidabad makes the statements to be.
Right, Hridita, stay on with us. Now, days after TMC rebel MLA stirred a controversy with his Babri declaration, TMC has now distanced itself, saying the leader is not in contact with the party. In fact, a senior TMC leader clarified that Humayun's speeches are his own. The party disagrees with them, adding that he has gone beyond his limits. Listen in.
देखिए, वो पार्टी का उससे कोई संपर्क अभी नहीं है। उसकी जो स्पीचेस है, भाषण है, वो पार्टी से कुछ लेन देन नहीं है। नहीं, उसका अपने वक्तव्य है, लेकिन पार्टी इसको सहमत नहीं है। पार्टी से कोई संपर्क नहीं है उनसे। नहीं, सवाल ही नहीं आता है। He has gone beyond the limit. वो पार्टी के साथ में वो होता है तो पार्टी अपने बात करेंगे, वो इंडिविजुअली कोई बात नहीं होता है।
So you heard what TMC netas have to say about a statement that Humayun Kabir had made earlier. Let's tell you a little bit about exactly what he had said. Humayun Kabir had announced that he will lay the foundation stone for his proposed Babri Masjid on 6th of December to mark the anniversary of the demolition of that original one that once stood in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Listen in.
आपको पता मिला
जे मालूम होना चाहिए जे 6 दिसंबर 1992 जो ये बाबरी मस्जिद को तोड़ दिया कारसबेग को, तो मैं ये मुस्लिम का बहुत दुख का बात था। कला दिवस बोल के मानते हैं 1992 से 6 दिसंबर, इसीलिए वही डेट को मैं निर्धारण किया।
Now viewers, West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose hit out at the Trinamool Congress MLA, calling his comment unconstitutional, stating that such comments lead to divisions in the society, and such people will not be allowed to get away with these kind of comments.
Murshidabad has become a center of many unwarranted developments which follows a pattern. A few months back, I visited a place in the context of violence. Now, the elections are approaching. This portends a very ugly trend which will lead to divisiveness in society, which will be resented and opposed by with the strongest possible force within the Constitution of India, within the rule of law. Nobody will be allowed to create dissension in society, divisiveness, and get away with it. Strong action will be taken under Article 194 of the Constitution of India and also the rule of law. There is no doubt about that.
Let's go back to my colleague Hridita, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Hridita, the question really is that when Humayun Kabir of TMC made that announcement that he'll be laying the foundation stone of a mosque, he'll call it Babri Masjid on 6th of December. Now you have a BJP Neta coming out and saying that he's going to lay the foundation stone of a Ram temple on the same day. BJP at that time had called it a sinister move of Trinamool Congress in the state for electoral benefit. So how should we read this statement by this BJP Neta?
Well, absolutely, as we see that on one side, when Humayun Kabir has made such a statement of laying the foundation stone of Babri Masjid, we also see the District General Secretary of the same district making such comments, of BJP party making such comments of laying the foundation of Ram Mandir. But at the point to understand that the state West Bengal BJP party has not agreed to his statement. Rather, they are still on the grounds of finding clarification to why has he made such statements. But to understand that he might have made these statements from any point of encroachment that he might have been feeling, because already through Humayun Kabir's various forms of words, we have understood that in Murshidabad Hindus, the ratio of Hindus are really under scared, and there is a threat of it, and therefore might be out of such concerns the state district general secretary have launched such statements. But the party out here in West Bengal has not given any official confirmation regarding the same, and why such statements were also made on behalf of it. It is still regarded as one of his personal comments.
All right, Hridita, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on, viewers. There's massive outrage over